afternoon, students. Welcome back to English class. Today in this video, let us discuss about the next poem, that is poem number 6. So, poem number 6, Nature's Friend, written by W.H. Davis. So, as usual, we have got some meanings to go through, and also we have to go through the introduction of the poem. Let us go through the meanings first. Here we have got 3 meanings. First one, hedge. Hedge. It means a line of bushes planted along the edge of the lawn. A line of bushes planted along the edge of the lawn in front of the poet's house. In front of the poet's house. Second meaning is run. Run. It means a small brown bird. Run. It means a small brown bird. Third meaning is moth. It means large winged insect. Moth. It means large winged insect. So these are some meanings you have to go through. Now let us concentrate on the introduction of the poet here. About the poet, William Henry Davies. William Henry Davies was a Welsh poet and writer. William Henry Davies was a Welsh poet and writer. Davies spent a significant part of his life as a tramp. Davies spent a significant part of his life as a tramp. He was born on 3rd July 1871 at Newport, United Kingdom, and was died on 26th September 1940 at Nailsworth, United Kingdom. His notable works are Leisure and the Autobiography of a Supertramp. His notable works are Leisure and the Autobiography of a Supertramp. So this is all about the introduction of the poet, children. Let us go through the poem and let us also concentrate about the summary of the poem. Poem number 6, Nature's Friend. There is pre-reading task for you. There are a lot of lovely things in the world. There are a lot of lovely things in the world. They make us happy. They make us happy. Especially children like you. Especially children like you. Some of the beautiful things are a garden, birds, flowers, animals, especially pets. Yes, children. As a child, all the children, they like pets at home. Also, some of them may like a garden. Some of them may like birds. Some of them may like flowers. Some of them may like animals, especially pets. So, let us go through the poem now. Poem number 6, Nature's Friend, written by W.H. Davis. Say what you like, all things love me. Say what you like, all things love me. I pick no flowers, I pick no flowers that wins the bee, that wins the bee. The summer's moths think my hand won. The summer's moths think my hand won. To touch their wings, to touch their wings, with wind and sun, with wind and sun. Third paragraph now. The garden mouse comes near to play. The garden mouse comes near to play. Indeed, he turns his eyes away. Indeed, he turns his eyes away. Fourth paragraph now. The wren knows well. The wren knows well. I rob no nest. I rob no nest. When I look in, she still will rest. She still will rest. Fifth paragraph now. The hedge stops cows. The hedge stops cows, or they would come after my voice right to my home, or they would come after my voice right to my home. Sixth paragraph, children. The horse can tell. The horse can tell straight from my lip. Straight from my lip. My hand could not hold any whip. My hand could not hold any whip. Last paragraph, children. Say what you like. All things love me. Horse, cow and mouse, bird, moth and bee. Written by W.H. Davis. So, it's a beautiful poem written by the poet, and in this poem, poet is a nature lover, and all the things found in the nature are not scared of the poet. So this is all about this video, children. In next video we will see summary of the poem. Thank you for watching.